In the world of artificial intelligence, two models stand out: GPT-5 and Chat GPT. Let's start with GPT-5. This titan is a large-scale language model that's been trained on an enormous amount of data. It can generate human-like text that's so convincing, you might find it hard to believe it was created by a machine. Its capabilities span a wide range of tasks, from drafting emails to writing code and even creating poetry. On the other side of the ring, we have Chat GPT. This model is all about conversation. It's designed to understand and respond to user inputs, making it feel like you're having a real discussion with an AI. With every interaction, Chat GPT learns and adapts, constantly improving its responses. While both AI models offer impressive capabilities, they each come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. When it comes to GPT-5, it is widely recognized for its capacity to generate human-like text. It's like the Shakespeare of artificial intelligence. It can compose prose that is not only coherent, but diverse and engaging. This makes it an attractive tool in a multitude of fields. Think about it. From writing articles, creating engaging social media content, to even scripting videos like this one, GPT-5 is a virtual powerhouse. On the flip side, imagine having a personal assistant who can draft emails or write reports for you. GPT-5's ability to understand and generate text makes it a potent tool for such tasks. It's like having a personal scribe at your beck and call, ready to put your thoughts into well-crafted words. But every rose has its thorns, and GPT-5 is no exception. The very power that makes it so useful also opens the door for potential misuse. In the wrong hands, GPT-5 could be used to generate misinformation or deceptive content at a scale we've never seen before. And then, there's the challenge of controlling its outputs. Despite its ability to generate human-like text, it can often produce content that is inappropriate or off-topic, making it a bit of a wild card. As you can see, while GPT-5 offers some significant advantages, it also comes with a number of challenges. On the other side of the spectrum, we have Chat GPT, an AI model known for its conversational abilities. Chat GPT is the chatty cousin in the AI family. Its proficiency in understanding and responding to user inputs is nothing short of impressive. This makes it an ideal solution for customer service applications. Imagine having an AI that can handle inquiries 24/7, efficiently and without ever needing a coffee break. It's like having a virtual assistant at your beck and call, ready to answer questions, schedule appointments, or even order pizza for you. The possibilities are, frankly, boundless. But, as we all know, every rose has its thorns. ChatGPT, for all its conversational genius, is not without its shortcomings. One of these is its inability to understand complex human emotions. While it can simulate empathy, it doesn't truly comprehend the depth of human feelings. This can lead to interactions that may feel superficial or robotic. Another potential downside is the risk of misuse. In the wrong hands, ChatGPT could be used to spread disinformation or to manipulate conversations. It's a reminder that while technology can be a powerful tool, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Like GPT-5, ChatGPT also has its strengths and weaknesses, making it a formidable contender in the world of AI. So between GPT-5 and ChatGPT, which AI model will likely reign supreme? This has been the question on everyone's lips. As we look into the future, both models seem to be on a trajectory of continuous improvement, addressing their respective weaknesses. GPT-5, for instance, is expected to fine-tune its understanding of context, making its responses more relevant and less prone to generating nonsensical answers. On the other hand, ChatGPT may enhance its ability to remember past inputs, thus improving its conversation flow and making it seem less robotic. But who will come out on top? Well, it's a tough call. Some may argue that GPT-5, with its broader range of applications, might edge out. Others believe that ChatGPT's focus on interactive conversations gives it an upper hand. In the end, only time will tell which AI model will reign supreme in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates and developments in the world of AI.